складно описати, тому що боль і страх.
It's difficult to describe the pain and fear inside. Everything is burning.
Як діти, вони і грати хочуть.
It is hard to explain to our children. They miss their relatives and friends. It is very painful. I can't describe it.
There's still an ongoing war in 2022, man. Who does that? I think we are civilized than this, you know.
Everybody's life matters. You just have to try and stay strong, stay alive.
People keep coming up to us and asking us what they should do, where they should go. But there's no advice really to give them because it's evening now and there's no train for the rest of the night. That much we know. And this is a humanitarian crisis that is growing in scale.